Hey everyone, thanks for visiting us at arklatex Taking a look at radar this morning, we do still have some showers north of Interstate 20. Majority of the thunderstorm activity has come to an end. Of course, we did have the tornado watch last night. We are not under any threat for severe weather today, but rain and a few isolated storms will continue for much of your Friday as this cold front very slowly pushes through the region. So honestly, today it looks like the majority of the rain is going to stay I-20 and northward, so the rain will be a little more persistent in Texarkana than it will in Shreveport, and your temperatures haven't really dropped off too much. We're sitting in the low to mid 60s in most areas, and as we continue through the day with the cold front out there, it is going to cause just a couple different weather patterns. So most of us I-20 and northward will feel the temperatures drop off a few degrees from where they are this morning. So even though you may not need a jacket, good idea just to take one with you, as we'll have breezy conditions, some rain blowing around as well. Shreveport settling in at 68 degrees this afternoon. We may push up to near 80 in Natchitoches a little bit later today. So there's the severe weather outlook map from the Storm Prediction Center. None of our counties and parishes included in the outlook, so that is a bit of good news, and it looks like we will stay out of the outlooks for the weekend. But this front is going to stay with us. It will slowly push to the south today, so at some point it looks like through the middle of the day we will see the rain pick up in Shreveport, but it looks like it will stay dry for most of the morning commute. See some downpours there in Texarkana through the middle of the day, and the front, you can just kind of notice those blue arrows on the map. So the front pushes down to I-20 and really doesn't make much progress after that, so it looks like the rain chance is going to stay highest across the I-30 corridor today. And as we move into your Saturday, front will actually move back to the north as a warm front, so that's why you see those south arrows, the red arrows on the map. Dry through much of the day Saturday. We'll still have a lot of cloud cover out there, a few scattered showers, and it looks like the rain will pick up kind of late Saturday into Sunday morning as this front actually just rolls back across us as a cold front. And this will be the pattern that we see as we continue through the week. I'll show you the HRRR model as well. This is the one that updates every hour, and it does show the majority of the rain playing out north of Interstate 20 through the day, but we will see a few scattered showers in Shreveport. I would be surprised, maybe some areas down towards Toledo Bend. Just completely missed the rain today. So again, doesn't look like it will be heavy or fairly persistent, but you just kind of add it up. We do have those 40, 50, 60% rain chances each day through the weekend into next week. We could, and I completely agree with this, see some 3 to 5 inch amounts I-30 and northward. That takes us through next Thursday. Looks like this pattern will finally wind down, and we'll see the chance for rain come to an end next Friday. So we're looking at maybe 1 to 2 inches through the I-20 corridor. We could see some isolated amounts of maybe 2 to 3. So maybe a little bit later this week, especially kind of looking Wednesday, Thursday, later next week, I should say. That's when we'll be on the lookout for any kind of flash flood threat that would manifest itself. It looks like we'll get through the day today and much of the weekend without seeing those kind of issues pop up. So your temperatures, 60s today, warm front tomorrow, so we're in the 70s. Cold front again Sunday drops us into the 60s, and then we just kind of settle into the low to mid 70s with those scattered rain chances for much of next week.